We are doing good.
As in, like, how you do it?
Hey, I could come for me. She will for a chimney. Hello. Hello.
Hi, you looking for somebody?
We are looking for you. I am my brother.
Whoa. How do you do?
We are doing good.
As in, like, how you do it? How you do it?
Doing is a doing work. Don't you know it's a doing work?
Okay.
Sorry.
So how may I help you guys?
Sorry,
Like,
I'm going to talk to you.
please, can you keep like that? Can you please stand near me?
Sorry.
Yeah, you looking for my sister?
He's my brother.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Nice, original. Yeah, original.
Yeah, so please, what's up? Why are you guys like that?
No, man, that is.
What are you looking for my sister?
No! I'm looking of you. we came because of you.
Okay, so look for me.
Oh, I said to me, we did that too. And you feel American.
But that's biscuit. You want to eat biscuit? Yeah, I love them cover.
We have in Ghana here.
Yeah, I think I got it on my way to the house.
On my way.
You want to say so?
Oh.
You good?
Yeah. On my way to your crew. I'm sure your crew will be chill. On my way, I'm sure your crew. I'm a priest. Are you? How are you?
I'm good.
How you feel Ghana here?
Ghana is so good. Ghana is beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much. The environment of the atmosphere, how do you feel it?
It's good.
That's good. That's good. In fact, my brother came to me. I said he met you.
I met him.
I met him.
I remember. I know your friend.
Yeah.
I know you.
That's my brother. So he said he decided to come and tell me everything he sees. So he said we should come here. So that's why we are here.
Okay,
so,
that's fine.
Yeah,
so you wanted to come and say hello to me?
Oh, exactly. Exactly.
Hey, hi. Hi. I thought you said you wanted to say hi to me.
Yeah.
So I'm giving you a handshake.
Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Let me call my sister.
We meet here. You
didn't bring it on time.
Long time.
You didn't bring it on time.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you just touched my skin. Did you guys do that? Yes. Did you guys do that? I like it. I like it for real. Yes, I like it. Yo. I like it.
Hey, dude, open so really got
you can do that. You actually touch my outfit?
Yes, I touch your
Hey, you touch my outfit again? No, I'm not joking. You can just touch my feet and then you just laugh like that.
Pardon?
Who told you that?
Pardon?
Who taught you that?
That's how
The beauty is nice.
Who taught you that?
The beauty
I
is
gotta
nice.
call my sister. You can just touch my skull like that and
The
then you
thing
just
is,
say your handshake to
Kafla,
brother.
Kafla,
Like really?
Kafla.
You can do this in
Oh,
traffic court.
I'm
What's
very
my
sorry.
chat? I can't.
I'm very sorry.
Oh,
Relax,
forget
I'm very
that
sorry.
forget that chair.
I'm very sorry.
My brother, talk.
I like
Oh, you taking my biscuit?
I like everything. Like you people from the block, you are very kind. That's why I came onto you.
Anyway.
Please, can we be friends?
Please, you know something? I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to sweat my time as well. Yo, so please, I want you to leave my house. Leave my house.
You say?
I want you to leave.
Leave. Yenti habai ma. Yenti leave. Get what's the money? Leave. Leave. Habai.
Okay. See, you can just return the. You're spoiling that.
Leave. This
Saying that. You gotta leave this place as of now. Leave now. Let me call my sister.
No.
So I want you to leave.
You see, you are our friend and
you are our friend.
I wanted you guys to be my friend, but your friend here keeps touching my skin.
No problem.
Just leave. Please don't come back.
We are brofobis.
Oh my
And
god.
that floor, why?
Why you for real?